Today's date is October 8th, and this video is being made in connection with an incident that happened yesterday, October 7th, at the BRC Men's Homeless Shelter, 127 West 25th Street. And this video is made in connection with an attempted assault and threats of bodily harm that was made against this gentleman in the video. Could you please identify yourself for the record?
My name is Jimmy Avila. I live at 127 West 25th Street, Manhattan, New York, 9th floor. This incident took place on the 9th floor. I was approached by a gentleman at approximately 4 p.m. in my cubicle, in my dormitory.
Can you please be more specific about the reasons this gentleman approached you with
bodily harm?
Yes.
Because of his connection with Muzzy, the director, the person who runs the building. He stated to me that he has a relation. He stated to me before he approached me that he had a relationship with BRC staff, and also they're giving him an apartment, a studio, a SRO this weekend. So he made a promise. He made a promise to the counselors, the director of BRC, that he would get rid of me in awarding him with an apartment. That was the reward. So he's trying to fulfill his final words with the staff by approaching me at 4 p.m. in a bodily threatening manner.
Is there any other female involved in this particular incident?
Yes.
As the reasons or the basis for this potential harm or assault?
The gentleman, his name is Eugene. He's on parole. I made a police report at the precinct, but there is a connection. He kept naming this lady named Vanessa, who he claimed that I got fired for practicing my human rights and constitutional rights in the building. So he claimed that I got her fired because I reported her to the supervisor. And I had recorded her violating my human rights and constitutional rights, and that's the reason why she got terminated from employment.
And what does anything of this Eugene have anything to do with Vanessa or the staff?
Well, he had a relationship with Vanessa. It's obvious, and he approached me saying that I got her fired and he's gonna kick my ass, come outside, and physically, he balled up his fist, and his body language spoke in volumes. His body language spoke in volumes because he was trying to assault me, but one of the techs grabbed him. His name was Jerry, BRC one of the techs that was on the floor, on the 9th floor, at approximately 4 p.m. They didn't write the gentleman up for attempting to assault me. They didn't discipline him. They didn't give him no warnings. In other words, they rewarded him in the F studio.
In incidents like this, are they generally required to write reports?
Yes, incidents like this, as part of DHS, Department of Homeless Services, rules and regulations, there should be no threat. That's policy. And also, that was not enforced yesterday because of retaliation and my open case with the Human Rights Division against the corporation, and also the investigation that's going on for corruption in BRC.
And did you at any time take any legal action after this incident?
Yes, I called the 911, the police department. They arrived at the scene. They told the officers that I was the problem. They basically told the BRC staff told the officers that I was the problem, and they tried to undermine the situation. The police officers refused to take the report, my report, which caused me to go physically into the precinct, to another precinct, and to make a report because my constitutional rights were being violated, and and they gave him leeway because I was outnumbered. There were 7 staff members saying that I was a problem because I was recording people. But what you do expect when someone is threatening you, threatening to assault you, What am I supposed to do? Allow this man to assault me? No, it's not going to work that way. I'm going to follow what the law requires, and I'm going to follow up on his harassment charge. I'm going to follow up on his parole officer, and I'm going to press charges. You know, anyone who violates my rights, once again, whether it's a BRC tech, Eugene, the guy that tried to attack me in the bathroom and attack me in the bed area, whoever it is, I'm gonna press charges. And what's going on is the BRC is using clients as weapons and bodily instruments that's totally illegal to quiet people, silence whistleblowers. I'm considered a whistleblower. People who are exposing corruption, they're using the clients to attack them physically and mentally.
That's other clients. That's it?
That's it.